You fall asleep fine, then boom, 3 a.m., you're wide awake. Every single night. This isn't insomnia, it's your cortisol spiking at the wrong time. Here's why. Between 2 and 4 a.m., your liver processes toxins and your blood sugar drops. If your body can't regulate it smoothly, it releases stress hormones to wake you up as a survival response. Late eating, dehydration, daytime stress, or alcohol, any of these force your body into emergency mode at 3 a.m. Fix it like this. Eating 3 hours before bed, drink water earlier in the day, not right before sleep, and handle your stress while the sun's still up. Don't carry it to bed. Your body isn't broken, it's just responding to what you gave it during the day. Change the input, change the output.